Good morning to all of you. Myself, Gungun of Standard 9. Today I am here to tell you the definitions of Chapter 1 Electricity in Physics. Electricity. Electricity is a branch of physics which deals with charges. There are two types of electricity, static electricity and current electricity. In static electricity, the charges remain at rest, they are not in a motion. In current electricity, they are in a motion and produces electric current. Charge is something possessed by material object to make it possible for them to exert electrical force and to respond electrical force. There are two types of charges, negative charges and positive charges. Negative charges are known as electrons and the positive charges are known as protons. Opposite charges always attract each other and the similar charges always repel each other. The SI unit of electric charges is coulomb. Conductor. Those substances through which electricity can flow and those substances which has a very low electrical resistance are known as conductors. Silver, copper, aluminium are the examples of conductor. Insulator. Those substances through which electricity do not flow and those substances which has a very high electrical resistance are known as insulators. Paper, wood, air, plastics are the examples of insulators. Now I will tell you the formulas of chapter 1 electricity in physics. V is equal to work upon by charges. I is equal to charges upon T. V is equal to R into I. R is equal to V upon I. I is equal to V upon R. Resistance is equal to rho into length upon area of cross section. Rho is equal to resistance into area of cross section upon length. R is equal to R1 plus R2, which is a series combination. 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, which is a parallel combination. Power is equal to work upon by T. Power is equal to potential difference into electric current. Power is equal to I square into R. Power is equal to V square upon R. Electric energy is equal to power into time. Heat energy is equal to I square into R into T. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Thank you.